We want to dance, dance, la 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 la, woo. And I'll spin and dance and I'll even break it down. Wiki, wiki, wiki. Oh. Look at this new set. We finally made it big time. Ah, yes, I love it, don't you?
Divide, add or subtract, figure what the answer will be. You can do it with a little help from your friends here on TV. Math homework helpers, it's time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah. Math homework helpers, it's time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah.
Billy, I'm so full.
What's up, Cal? You don't sound so good.
I'm still full from Thanksgiving.
Oh, my.
Oh.
Really? How much did you eat?
Well, a lot. Like 5 whole turkeys, 40 pounds of mashed potatoes, 25 pounds of stuffing, and 10 pumpkin pies. And of course, a couple of gallons of milk to wash it all down.
Cal, no wonder you're not feeling well. I really think you overdid it. And you ate all that on Thanksgiving in one day?
Thanksgiving? No, Mrs. Chess. That's what I had for lunch today.
Today?
Oh.
Cal, we really need to talk about your eating habits.
Yeah, maybe we should. Let's wait till after the show, okay?
I think so.
Hey, kids! Welcome to Math Homework Helpers. And of course, this is Miss Maggotin from Windsor Middle School. And this is Miss Chess from Newtown Elementary School. And I'm that Thanksgiving glutton, Cal. Ooh, man.
The prize wheel is ready to go.
Oh, feels so good.
And our special guest spinner today is Sarah from Sussex Elementary School.
Hey,
welcome.
Hey, Sarah, welcome to the show. Hey, we're here to help BCPS students with their math homework, so if you need some help with your math homework, why don't you go ahead and give us a call. The number is 410-494-1459. 410-494-1459. Want me to say it again?
One more time.
All right. 410-494... Oh.
410-410-491-459. Then after we work on your math homework,
I really don't.
you get to spin the prize wheel. Do you think you need to lay down?
Maybe.
Okay, who's going to be the very first math homework helpers caller on this fine Wednesday afternoon? Let's go to the phones.
Yeah, let's do that. And try to make it to the show. Hey! Dawn, are you there?
Yes.
How you doing, Dawn?
Hi, Dawn.
Good.
Hey, did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
Yes.
Do you think I might have overdone it a little bit for lunch today?
Yes.
Oh. What do you want to work on, by the way?
The quantity of 100 times 10 divided by the quantity of 10 times 100.
Okay. All right, so when you say the quantity of, does that mean there's something in parentheses?
Yes.
Oh, you read that beautifully. You did a really nice job. So the quantity of 110.
100 times.
Oh, 100 times 10. Okay.
You guys got this? I might need to duck out for a minute.
I think that would be
I'll be right
best,
back.
Cal. I'm very worried about Cal.
I know.
I'll be all right. I'm just
Okay.
looking for some Tums.
All right, 100 times 10. Okay.
Divided by the quantity of 10 times 100.
The
10.
quantity of 10 times 100?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I have it written as an expression. When the way that yours is written on your worksheet or on your paper, do you have it written like this going across, or do you actually have it written as a fraction?
Just across.
Okay, written across. Okay. All right, well, have you talked about order of operations?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the order of operations?
First, the one, and then
Okay, parentheses,
Tonsillectomy.
multiplication and or division, addition and or subtraction. Have you talked about exponents yet?
Yes.
Oh, you have talked about exponents. Okay. Well, do you see any exponents here? Okay. Are there any parentheses you need to take care of in your expression?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, what is 100 times 10?
100 is 1,000.
1,000. That's really good. And how did you know that? I can tell you were able to do that in your head.
First, I did 1 times 1 was 1, and I annexed the zeros.
Beautiful
Wow.
use
I
of
remember that trick.
vocabulary. All right. So if I know that 100 times 10 is 1,000, then 10 times 100 is
1,000.
1,000. Ooh, and there's a division rule here that I see. What do you know about when you divide a number by itself? The quotient is always
1 number.
1. It's always 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 1,000 divided by 1,000 is?
1,000 divided by
1,000. Well, any number divided by itself is 1. So it works for even big numbers. So 1,000 divided by 1,000 is?
1,100.
Well, we're dividing. So it's 1.
Oh, it's
Okay?
You mean that works with any number?
It works with any
like
number.
a million divided by a million?
A million divided by a million
10
is
million
1.
divided by 10 million?
1.
That's right, Kelly.
That's
way.
right. Okay?
Like a billion divided by a billion?
Even a billion divided by a billion.
Dawn, can I ask you just one more question before we spin the prize wheel?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, what is 12 divided by 12?
12 divided by 12 is 1.
1.
Yeah!
Okay, but it works
Very
for any
good.
number. So what's 100 divided by 100?
1.
Good job, Dawn.
Wait, I got one more. Don, what's a trillion divided by a trillion?
1.
Yeah!
Nice
job.
job.
All
Are
right,
you
I
in-
think we should spin the prize.
All right, and tell Mr. Broom I said to have a good day.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All righty, Sarah, you ready?
Yes.
Here she goes. Ooh ho! Is that?
Oh, a backpack.
Oh yeah, we got those right here. Miss Magazine, would you please show us the backpack?
And here's the backpack. So we'll get that right out to you.
Yeah. You stuff all kinds of stuff in that backpack. I keep meat in mine.
Really?
Yeah,
Thank
mostly
you.
jerky.
You're very welcome, Dawn.
Okay, hey, you know what? Why don't we go to Norwood and talk with Callie? Are you there? Is that Callie?
Yes.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I'm glad you called us today. So how was your Thanksgiving?
Good.
Did you eat 25 whole turkeys like I did?
No.
That wasn't good, was it?
No.
Well, I'm glad you didn't, because you'd be feeling like me now if you did.
Not so good.
No. All right, what's your problem, Callie?
Joshua left for his grandmother's house at 5:15 a.m. He drove for 2 hours. What time did he arrive?
Ooh, sounds like a lapsed time.
So let's talk about this. What time did he leave his grandmother's house?
5:15.
All right, so we're going to set the clock at 5:15.
What's the difference between those hands on the clock?
Oh, good question. So the big hand is going to tell us our minutes, and the little hand is going to tell us our hours. Does this look about right to you, Callie? Is this how it would show 5:15 on the clock?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long was it before they arrived to where they needed to go? They drove for how much time?
2 hours.
2 hours. So that means I'm going to take this hand and go around 2 times, right?
There's one.
And then I go around. There's my second time. But normally a clock, both of these are moving together. So when that moved 2 times, that will move this one from 6 to 7. What time do we have now on the clock, Callie?
7:15.
Absolutely. Our little hand is on 7, which is our hour, and our big hand is on 15, which is our minutes. Great
You want a
job.
quick question
Good
for
job.
Yes.
you. On that clock,
Yes.
what are those numbers when they're counting by 5s for?
Oh, that's to show minutes, Cal.
Well, isn't that what the minute hand is for?
Exactly.
But they're chunking it.
Right.
So this is a group of 5 minutes, this is a group of 5 minutes, this is a group of 5 minutes, and so it keeps going around until it makes one complete circle.
And how many minutes?
I see.
And how many minutes are in an hour?
Aha, 60.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. So 5, 10, 15. That makes sense.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks, guys, for clearing that up for me. And you know what we got to do now? Do you? Do you?
What do we
Does
have to
anyone?
do, Callie?
What are we going to do?
Hello,
All
Yeah,
right.
come on.
Yay!
Sarah, you're going to spin us up another winner. Here she goes.
Oh, it's a mystery.
It's a mystery prize.
She's gonna
Even
be
I don't
surprised.
know what it is. Do you?
I do.
What?
No, I don't. It's a
Ah.
mystery.
Cal, look at that.
Mystery prize. Hey, Callie will have to let us know what the mystery prize is when she calls next week.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Hey, you know what? Why don't we go? Hey, we're going out to your neck of the woods.
I'm excited.
Amelia from Windsor Mill, are you there?
Yes.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Amelia.
Hey, Amelia. Yeah, Amelia, you're going to have to turn your television all the way down and talk to us just through your phone. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. That helps us hear better.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Now, you know this wonderful math teacher over here, don't you?
Yes.
I figured you might have. So what are you working on over there at Windsor Mill? And we can work on it together.
Okay. My question is, I'm supposed to simplify each expression. So 5 parentheses negative 3a parentheses minus 6a.
Is that what you guys are working on?
Negative 3a. One more time for me, Amelia.
5 parentheses negative 3a
Okay.
Keep going.
parentheses
Keep going.
minus 6a.
All right.
Now, what are you supposed to do with this?
All right. Well, Amelia, where do you want to start?
Distributive.
Nice job.
Okay. So do I have it written correctly? So
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what is 5 times negative 3a?
Negative 15a.
Wow. Awesome job.
How did you know that?
6a. How did you know that?
My teacher taught me.
Yeah!
I think you're earning Starbucks tomorrow when I see you, Amelia.
All right. So we have
Yeah.
negative 15a minus 6a, or this is the same as saying plus another negative 6a. We could look at it both ways. So
Yeah.
I actually like to look at it that way. Is that okay, Mrs.
Yes.
Maggots? Okay. All right. So what is negative 15a plus another negative 6a?
A negative.
A negative what? How many a's?
1.
Are you sure about that? You owe me 15 A's and then you come back and borrow another 6 A's from me. Altogether, how many do you owe me?
21.
All right.
21a. Nice job.
21 A's, huh? I bet you that's what your report card looks like, huh, Amelia?
I bet it
All
does.
A's.
Yes.
Well, you know what we're going to do, Amelia?
Yes, spin the prize wheel.
Yeah, we're going to spin the prize wheel for you. All right, Sarah. Got to bring you some luck.
C and
Oh, a T-shirt.
Ooh,
Ah.
you can wear it on Wednesdays.
Yeah,
We can wear ours together, Amelia.
Yeah, we got some
Yeah.
wonderful new T-shirts, and we'll send one out to you.
Okay. Thank
All righty. All right, you know what? Why don't we go out to Scott's Branch over there and talk to Dommy? Are you there? How you doing, Dommy?
Hi, Dami.
I'm good.
Dommy calls all the time.
How was your Thanksgiving, Dami?
I'm great.
Good.
Did you eat as much as Cal did?
Oh, don't you keep reminding me.
I ate more.
Oh.
Wait, more?
wow.
All right, I like you.
I guess together you and Dami ate the whole turkey farm.
Well, yeah, we could, couldn't we? Do some real damage on the turkey population around
I
here.
eat the whole turkey.
Yeah, even the giblets. Okay. All right, Tommy, what's your problem? I understand it has to do with divisibility. Is that true?
Yes.
All right, what is it? And we'll divisibility it right now. You
Is
like the giblets?
345
favorite.
divisible by
I prefer
9?
the legs.
All right, say that again for me, Dami. Is 345 divisible by?
3 and 9.
All right. So we need to see if 3 or 9 can go into 345. So, Dami, are you learning about your rules of divisibility right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And what do you know about the divisibility rules for 3?
The rods.
Are there any?
You have to add up all of the digits in 345.
Okay.
Right.
So what's 3 plus 4?
7.
All right. And then what is 7 plus 5?
12.
All right. Can 3 go into 12?
I give you a t-shirt. Yes.
All right. So that works out for us.
I'm nervous, so I know how to do it, but when she said the age, how many A's it was.
Oh, you know what?
Hello?
I
We
think we
still
got an
have
extra
some-
person on the phone. But anyway, continue on. We'll just keep rolling.
Dami.
Yes.
Domi's
Now,
gonna have
what
to
do
talk
you
louder.
know about your divisibility rules for 9? Same thing?
You still have to add up all the numbers.
Okay, but we already added up the numbers, so we know that the sum of the digits in 345 is 12. So are 12 and 9 compatible numbers? Is 12 a multiple of 9?
No.
Okay, good, because if you skip count by 9, will you ever get to 12?
No.
No, you skip right on over 12 on your way to 18. So is 345 divisible by 9?
No.
No.
Okay.
So which one of those? Do you have to have both of them or both of those in the answer choice? Was your question, does it have to be 3 and 9, or did you have to choose the one that was divisible by 3 or 9?
Choose.
All right, so which one are you going to choose, Dami?
3.
There you go. That's the only one.
Good job, Dami.
Excellent work on the rods. Rules of divisibility.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You know, I'm going to have to use that tomorrow with my class.
The rods.
The rods.
The
I've never
rods.
heard that.
I have a friend named Rod.
Really?
I call him rules of divisibility. He doesn't like it.
Really?
I didn't think you
His
would.
name's Rod.
Is he a turkey?
Oh, that's a whole different person. I'm getting hungry again.
Cal, I think you're done for the day.
Anyway, hey, you know what, Tommy? Let's stop talking about turkeys and spin the wheel.
Okay.
He's all right with that. Okay, ready? Come on, Sarah.
Ooh.
Cowgirl, Sarah.
And
Ooh,
it's
it's
another
another
backpack.
All right,
All
here we
right.
I'll
go.
send that right out to you.
Don't stuff it with too much food in there. We don't want a turkey in
I
here.
told you to keep meat in mind.
And that's the hard way.
Mostly jerky and raw meat.
Bye,
Sometimes I'll
Tommy.
keep fish, nuts, maybe walnuts.
It sounds like you just eat everything.
Well, you know, I'm a growing wolf. I need my nutrition.
I think Wayne's waiting for you.
Oh,
Wayne's
sorry. Hey,
waiting.
Wayne! Are you waiting for me?
Yes.
Hi,
Wayne from
Wayne.
Newtown. How are ya?
There.
Good. Did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
Yes.
Fantastic. So, what are you guys working on? Well, I guess you know this talented math teacher over here, don't you, Wayne? Miss Jess.
And actually, Wayne is in Miss Meadler's class.
I'm sure everybody
But
knows
I-
who you are. You are like a celebrity over there in Newtown. You know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you might want to consider running for political office.
Maybe. I'm very popular in the cafeteria.
Yes.
All right.
Okay,
How are you,
anyway,
Wayne?
I don't know where we went with that, but what's your problem?
9 divided by 171.
Oh, you know what, Wayne? Can you turn your television down? We're getting some feedback. Turn your TV all the way down so we can just hear you over the phone.
9 divided by 171.
9 divided by 171. Okay, can you look at your TV screen? Is that how it's set up?
Huh?
Can you look at your TV screen, Wayne? Is that how your problem's set up?
No, yes.
Do I need to switch? Do I need to switch the dividend and the divisor?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a couple different ways to set these guys up, aren't there?
Well, you have to make sure that you have your divisor in the right place and your dividend
Okay.
in the right
How
place.
about how about now? Is that better?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I know you've been working on long division, Wayne. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set this up. I'm going to take my dividend and my divisor.
How do you know the dividend is in? When you set that little baby up.
Well, because the dividend is the number that's being broken down into equal groups. So, and I always say the dividend is living in the division
Oh yeah,
sign.
the dividend is living in.
Yes, that's how I remember it. However, I know that the dividend is the number that we are dividing by, or the
makes
number
sense.
that's being divided into smaller groups.
All right,
So
all right.
we're taking 171 of something, and we are
Can it be
breaking it
turkeys?
into groups. And it could be 171 turkeys into
Okay.
groups of 9. It could be 171 cookies into
As long as it's
groups of
food.
9. Whatever, however you want to think about it. So Wayne, where should I start?
How many times can 9 go into 1?
Okay, and can 9 go into 1?
No.
Okay. How about 17? Can 9 go into 17?
No.
Well, let's think about it. If you have 17 stickers and 9 friends, can you give everybody at least 1 sticker?
You could rip it up.
Yes.
Yeah, you could. Now, could you give everybody 2 stickers?
No.
No, because that would be 18 stickers and you don't have enough and someone's going to get left out. But you can give everybody 1 sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and divide. So I know that 1 times 9 is 9. And now I'm going to subtract, what is 17 minus 9?
8.
8. Very good, Wayne. You're doing a great job. You really know your subtraction facts. Okay, so I know that 8 is less than 9. So what can I do now?
Put a 0.
Well, I have this 1 here. Can I bring this 1 down?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh, so now I have 81. How many times can 9 go into 81?
9 times.
Nice job, Wayne.
Perfect.
Okay, and 9 times 9 is 81. Now, what can we do to check this, Wayne?
19 times 9.
Yeah, let's do 19 times 9. Okay, and I know that 9 times 9 is?
81.
81. And I know that 9 times 1 is 9, plus 8 is?
17.
17. Wayne, it checks out. Good job.
Nice.
You did an excellent job. I'm so glad you called us today.
That's it. Do you encourage your students to check their answers?
Yes, I do.
Yes. That's
Yes.
a good idea.
Yes, I always say that shows that you're being conscientious about your work.
You're being
Conscientious.
It's a big word.
It shows that you care.
Why did you say it shows you care? That would be very conscientious of you. Okay, hey, Wayne, you know what? Let's conscientiously spin the wheel.
Wayne thought that was funny too,
Yeah.
Cal.
At least somebody's laughing.
Oh.
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 Another mystery prize.
Wonder what it is.
Miss Jess said she knew.
I was kidding.
You
I think
sure?
it's a turkey.
Oh! That'd be awesome if you got a live turkey in the mail. I bet you we'd be hearing from some folks if we did that.
I don't think I'd want to be in the office that day
Yeah.
when the turkey arrived.
All right, anyway, thank you.
Bye, Wayne.
Let's go. Hey, let's go back out to Scott's branch. What do you say?
I think so.
Yes.
Michael, you there?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
Yes.
Fantastic. Looks like we had some happy Thanksgivingites out there. So, what are you working on over there at Scotch Branch?
My answer is, the question is,
Your question?
35, circle the ones digit to make the number sentence true.
Okay.
My question is, 35 plus 20 blank equals 59.
30.
What number goes in the blank?
Okay.
3, 4, or 5?
All right. 3, 4, 5. Now give me that original problem again. 35 plus
35 plus 20 blank
Oh, so you don't know the
equals
ones place.
59.
Okay, 35 plus 20 blank equals 345. I see.
Like after the 2, that's a blank.
All right, I have the blank. Equals what? What does it equal?
There's no 0 after that
Here.
2.
I see.
All
You're trying
right.
to figure out the ones place.
Gotcha.
Okay.
All right, does that look right so far? 35 plus 2 blank equals
Equals 59.
59.
Okay.
And we need to figure out what goes in that box to make
a
that
mystery
sentence
number.
work.
Ooh.
And you're telling me that our choices could be 3, 4, or 5. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Well, what have you been working on to help you solve this type of problem?
Like I use a sum. I know 5 plus 4 equals 9.
All right.
Wow.
Listen to him working that out.
So
Michael's brain is cooking.
let's check that. So if you know 5 plus 4 equals 9, and that's the ones digit that we're looking for, let's see if 35 plus 24 equals 59. 5 plus 4, you told me, equals
59.
9. What's 3 plus 2?
3 plus 2. 5.
5. And does 59 equal 59? Are these the same number?
Yes.
So I think that you were right. 4 will be the number that
Nice
goes into
work,
that
Michael.
blank.
Nice. So that's one of those things you kind of you think about it logically, and then you guess and check. Is that or? Huh.
You conscientiously.
Yes. You conscientiously. Okay, so hey, let's spin that wheel. What do you say? Let's spin something up for Mike. Ready, Sarah? There she is. Proving it. Oh, a desk
desk
stuffer.
stuffer.
Oh, Mike, wait till you see this. We're going to send you just a whole pile of stuff that you put in your desk, like pens, pencils, calculators, turkeys. You're going to love it. Turkeys.
Ooh, turkey. In your desk? Oh, my goodness.
I thought I'd slide that one by you guys. No reaction whatsoever. All right, thanks for calling, Michael. Call us next week. Hey, you know what? Why don't we go back out to your neck of the woods over there where you are the mayor of Newtown? Terrence, are you there?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So, hey, what are you working on over there at Newtown, huh?
Write a 3-digit number that is divisible by 3.
Oh, write a
What?
3-digit number that is divisible by 3. I'm so happy to hear from you. Terrence is a brand new student at Newtown.
Is this the first time he's called?
It's first time he's called.
Wow. Welcome aboard, Terrence.
So we're looking for a number that's divisible. Divisible by 3. Okay, So we're looking for a number that's divisible by 3. And Miss Chess can't spell right now, so we're just going to use shorthand. All right. So, Terrence, what do you know about numbers that are divisible by 3? Now, what I did was I put 3 blanks here because we're actually going to have a number that has hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're going to have a number in the hundreds that's divisible by 3. What do you know about numbers that are divisible by 3? Terrence?
They.
Oh. Well, remember, we know that numbers divisible by 2, 5, and 10, all you have to do is look at the ones place. But numbers that are divisible by 3 and 9 have a very special rule. Do you remember that rule?
They end with the 3 or 9?
No, it has to do with addition. Like, for example, I'm going to show you this number here. Okay. I know that this number is divisible by 3 because if I add the digits up, 4 plus 2 plus 3, it equals 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So the rule for numbers divisible by 3 is that the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So we could make any number. There's hundreds of different numbers that we could make that would work for this answer. So do you want to help me out and come up with one of them? And we're not going to use the example that I just did. So what number, why don't we pick a place value and pick a number and we'll work from there. So let's just pick a digit, any digit, 0 through 9.
5.
5. All right, would you like me to put it in the hundreds, the tens, or the ones?
The 100.
Okay, all right. So I have 5. Now I know right now that 5, if I put 2 zeros here, that would be 5. And is 5 divisible by 3?
No.
No. All right, well, let's just pick another number. Any number you want, Terrence, from 0 to 9.
1.
1. Okay, all right. What's 5 plus 1?
6.
6. Okay. Now I have a lot of different options. I could just put a 0 here, and I could do 5 plus 1 plus 0.
That's boring.
And that would be boring. But what's another number that maybe we could put here, and when we added them all up, that would still be divisible by 3?
3.
Okay. All right, and let's add them up to check. What's 5 plus 1 plus 3?
Okay.
Terrence, can we
9.
start with 5 plus 1?
Yeah, 5 plus 1. Oh, wait, I think you just said it.
Oh.
5 plus 1 plus 3 is?
9.
You did it. Good job, kiddo. Way to go. So one of your answers is 513. But are there many answers for this problem?
Yes.
Yep, but that's definitely one that works.
That's an interesting way to figure that out. I like that.
Thank you.
It's fun. All right, hey, you know what? Guess what? It's time to eat some turkey!
I think it's time to spin the wheel.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Spin the wheel.
All right, Terrence, hoping for something good, kiddo. Oh,
Okay.
You just never know what you're going to get here, do you? Oh, a flashlight.
all right.
All right. We don't have one of those up here.
Well, now you can do your homework in the dark.
Yes, under your covers when you're supposed to be sleeping.
Bye, Terrence. See you tomorrow.
All right, hey, you know what? Why don't we go down to Sparks Elementary
Okay.
and spend some time out there with Isaiah. Isaiah, you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Hey, we'd like to spend some time with you. Get it?
Yeah.
Nobody else does, so tell us what your problem is.
My promise is the school bus stops at Ruby's house bus stop at 8:15 a.m.
Okay.
Well, we're using the clock on this one, eh? I don't know.
Randy arrives at the bus stop at 8:15. Did he miss the bus?
Oh, I'm sorry. 8.
I wrote you a note.
Okay. Can All right.
I was having a tough time hearing that one. What
Yeah,
did you say?
all right. So you said at 8:15, something's going on there, Isaiah. What's happening at 8:15?
At 8:15, he arrives at the bus stop.
All
Okay,
right.
all right.
And then what's happening from there? Is he going somewhere?
The bus comes at 8.
Oh, so this is elapsed time. So the bus comes at 8, and he's on the bus stop at 8:15.
Is there
Yes.
is there another part? Is there another part of that question?
Yes. Did he miss the bus?
Wow,
Oh.
let's see. Here's 8 o'clock,
I hope he didn't miss the bus.
and he didn't get there until 8:15. Here's the bus. Here's where he was at the bus. He didn't get there until this time. Did he get there before or after the bus?
After the bus.
So what do you think? Did he miss the bus?
Yes, he missed the bus.
I think so too, Isaiah.
No, I feel so horrible. I hope
Yeah,
somebody came
I
to
heard
get
it was
him.
raining that day too,
Oh,
and
No.
snow,
Oh
and
no.
a hurricane,
and a turkey.
and hey, what? Turkey?
I liked how you
Say
slipped
turkey?
that one in.
You didn't slip it by me. Okay, hey, you know what, Isaiah? We're not gonna miss the opportunity to eat some pumpkin pie.
Spin the wheel.
Oh yeah, that's right. Spin the wheel. Sorry about that. All right, Sarah, what do we got now? Ooh, a little more. Oh,
Magic fingers.
You did that without
Ooh,
even.
mystery prize.
How did she do that? She didn't even touch the wheel. No wonder she won another mystery prize. I will send you one mystery prize. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll figure it out later.
Because it's a mystery.
Wouldn't
So-
be a mystery if we knew.
I know. If I told you what it was, it wouldn't be a mystery, right?
Right.
All right. Well, it's not going to be a turkey,
That's good.
just so you know. I had a lot of kids with their hopes up. All right, anyway, let's go out to Battle Grove Elementary School. Demetrius, are you there?
Yes.
How you doing?
Hi, Demetrius.
Good.
Did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
Yes, I had lots of turkey.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Did you eat 25 turkeys?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
No.
No.
that sounds reasonable. You're very reasonable. That was very conscientious of you not to eat so many turkeys. I'm a glutton. What can I say?
I know.
Anyway, so you're working on some division, right?
No multiplication.
Oh, multiplication.
Oh,
I
okay.
like multiplication. Well, what kind of multiplication are you doing? And, the gang here and I will work on it together. I guess I'm part of the gang, so I wouldn't say I.
Yes.
200 times 200.
Ooh, there's zeros again.
Oh, I love multiplying with zeros.
I know. It's
Demetrius,
so-
did you hear when the young lady called earlier and talked about those annexing the zeros, using that vocabulary?
Oh, yeah, that was
Yeah.
music to my ears, Miss Magginson.
Hmm.
So how do you do that here?
All right. So, Demetrius, you tell me, where do you want to start?
The 0 above the other 0 to multiply first.
Okay. All right. Well, we could do that. I see that maybe you want to multiply 0 by 0 and then 0 by 0 and 0 by 2. We could do that, but you know what? There's a shortcut around this problem.
Shortcuts scare me. Is this
Well,
a safe
not this
one?
one. It's a safe one. I
Okay,
swear it's a
all
safe
right.
one. Do you see a basic fact?
Once I took a shortcut to my
Yeah.
grandmother's house and got
Okay.
lost.
All right. What's a basic fact or a really easy multiplication problem you see that you could solve?
2 and 2.
And what is 2 times 2?
4.
4. Good job. Okay. Now, I have, when I'm multiplying by powers of 10, I can do something called annexing, which means what I can do is I can show the place value, or that the place value, the number is increasing by a power of 10 by just annexing zeros. So how many zeros are here in the problem?
4.
4. So I'm going to annex 4 zeros behind this 4. And what is your product?
4,000.
Well, look at that one more time.
40,000.
40,000. Good job, Demetrius.
Wait, that is a shortcut. And we didn't get lost.
And we didn't get lost, and everybody's safe.
Because once I took a shortcut to the bus stop and I got lost.
And were you late? Did you get there at 8:15 instead of 8?
Yeah, I got there the next day.
So oh my gosh.
So I actually caught the bus on time. Only I was 24 hours late. What is that? Does that make any sense?
Amazing. Only you could pull that off, Cal. Only
Anyway.
you.
Hey, you know what it's time to do, Demetrius, huh?
Spin the wheel.
No! We're gonna eat some more turkey! No, we'll spin the wheel. All right, Sarah, you ready?
Yep.
Ah!
Whoa.
That scared me. Oh, the magic math kit.
Wow.
Oh, Miss Magazine, grab that so we can show it. It's right there on
All
your right.
right.
I don't think it's magic.
No,
I
this
think
is
it's
math. This is
magic.
the math kit.
Math chick.
It's math chick.
Math.
Yeah, you'll like that. It's got
there
a
we
little
go.
everything. I'll even send along a little extra turkey stuffing with it.
Okay, Cal.
All righty, we'll send that right out. All right, you know what? Miss
Allie's.
Magazine, guess what? We're
What's
going
that?
back to Newtown.
All right, let's go.
Get back! Get back! Get back to where you once belong. Newtown! Allie?
Hi, Ali. How are you?
Allie?
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, what did you think of my fabulous singing abilities? I think I'm going to be on The Voice.
It's okay, Allie. You don't have to answer.
Great.
Thank you.
Good job.
One of my fans out there.
Yeah. You know, Ali is a long-time watcher, but first-time caller.
Really? Allie, I'm so glad you called today. I'll sing you some more songs after we finish this math problem. What is your math problem? Let me think. What should I sing?
8,123 divided by 7.
Oh,
Okay.
great job reading
so
that problem.
we have 8,123. Did I hear you say? Divided by 7. Does that look right?
Yes.
All right. So can I actually do it this way? Do you like how this is set up, or would you like for me to write it another way?
I would like for you to write it another way.
All right, so let's do that.
Yeah, we can
So
do a little
what I'm
thing.
going to do is put the 7 on the outside of the house and put 8, 1, 2, 3 on the
Can I
inside.
please say it? Can I please say it?
You sure
The
can.
dividend is living in. Thank you.
You're
Thank
so
you very
welcome.
much.
I'm glad you're able to get that
All
out
right.
of the system.
Thank
Cal.
you.
So do we like it like that?
We like it like that. Whoa, oh, oh.
Yes.
Ali. So now, can you tell me about 7 going into 8? Can 7 go into 8 at all?
Yes.
How many times?
1 time.
All right, so I'm going to put that 1 up here. And then what do I do to the 1 and the 7? What operation would I use here?
You would multiply 7 times 1.
All right, and what would I get?
7.
7. And now that I have the 7, what operation do I need to do between the 8 and the 7?
You should subtract
All right, and what is 8 minus 7?
1.
1. Am I done?
No.
No, I still have 1, 2, and 3 that I need to take care of and see if 7 can go into those numbers, correct?
Yes.
So I'm going to bring this 1 down. And now I have 7 into 11. Can 7 go into 11?
Yes.
How many times?
1.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh, thank heaven for 7-Eleven.
Thank heaven for 7-Eleven. That's cute. So I'm going to put that 1 up here. And again, I'm going to go back and do the same thing. I'm going to multiply 1 times 7. And what would I get?
7.
I sure would. And I'm going to do the same process all over again. And I'm going to subtract 7 from 11.
Yeah. You get 4.
Okay? And so I put my 4 here. And now I still have the 2 and 3 to think about, correct?
Yes.
So I'm going to bring that 2 down and make that 42. Can 7 go into 42?
Yes.
How many times?
6.
Nice job. And I'm going to do the same process, 6 times 7. And what do I get?
42.
Sure do. I'm going to subtract. And I wind up with a 0 here. But am I done?
No.
No, I still have one more number. What might that be?
3.
3. I'm going to bring that down. And can 7 go into 3?
No.
So what do I do? So first of all, 7 cannot go into 3, so I have to put the 0. And what do I do with the 3? What do we call that?
A remainder.
A remainder of 3. Are you okay with that answer, Ali?
Yes.
All right, nice job.
Good job.
Well, since this is Ali's first time calling, I think we should at least be conscientious enough to spin the wheel. What do you think?
I think so.
I think so.
I was going to give her turkey, but...
I think
Yay!
we should send chickens because they're easier to handle.
Oh. Osmosis thing. Whoa, a T-shirt.
Oh, we can wear them on Wednesdays.
Yes. Good idea. All right. Hey,
See
you know what?
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for calling. Call me next week. Let's go to Norwood. What do you say, huh? We haven't talked to anybody over there recently in like 5 minutes. So, hey, let's talk to Jacob. Are you there?
Yes.
How you doing, Jacob?
Hi, Jacob. How you doing?
Good.
Fantastic.
Good.
I'm glad you called. So, what do you happen to be working on today?
The start time 10:30 p.m.
More
and
time.
time 1:15 a.m.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
5-day elapsed time.
Okay.
Lapse
So
time.
wait. What was the start time?
10:30 p.m.
Okay. So your start time is 10:30 p.m. I always like to make a note on the side. Okay.
That makes
And
sense.
then what was your end time?
1:15 a.m.
End time is 1:15 a.m. Oh my goodness, really late night, Jacob. Okay, well I'm going to set my clock. So I'm going to show 10:30 p.m. So where am I going to put my hour hand?
The hour hand could be between the 10.
Yeah, it's going to go in between the 10 and 11
Oh,
if
the
you want to
10?
be really specific. Very good, Jacob. And then where is your minute hand going to go? I want to show 30 minutes. So right now I have
To
kind
go
of
to the 6.
down to the 6 because that's 30 minutes or half of an hour, right? And I also know that because 6 is halfway between 0 and 12.
Yeah.
So that's how it works. Okay. All right. So we're starting at 10:30 p.m. Well, when I have to find a lapse time or figure out how much time in between two events, start time and end time, what I like to do, Jacob, is I like to start counting hours first. Okay? So right now it's 10:30. In 1 hour, what time will it be?
10:30.
If it's 10:30 and I
It'll
go,
be 11. It'll be 11:30.
very good, Jacob. So that's just 1 hour. So I'm going to kind of, I know that from 10:30 to 11:30 is 1 hour, and I'm just going to kind of keep track down here. Okay. All right, so that's 1 hour. But am I at 1:15 yet, Jacob?
No.
Okay. All right. So right now it's 11:30 and 1 hour has passed. All right. In one more hour, what time will it be?
12:30.
12:30. So now we have another hour. Okay. All right. Have you been working with Miss Tarvell using clocks in school?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, if I go another hour, I know that's going to be 1:30. So that's actually going to be a little bit too much. So let's start counting minutes. Okay. Do you want to count by tens? Do you want to count by fives? Or do you want to count by half an hours? You pick. What would you like to do, Jacob?
Count by half an hour.
Oh, I like how you think, Jacob. So, in a half an hour, what time will it be? If it's 12:30 midnight or 12:30 in the morning, what time will it be in a half an hour?
1 o'clock.
Wowza! All right, 1 o'clock. All right. So now we have another half an hour. So right now, let me keep track here. I now have, so far we've gone, actually, we need some space. Okay. So far we have gone 2 hours and 30 minutes, but we're only at 1 o'clock in the morning. We need to get to 1:15. So how many minutes is it going to take us to get to 1:15?
15.
15. All right, so I have 2 whole hours, 30 minutes, and those 30 minutes plus 15 more minutes, how much time is that?
45.
2 hours and 45 minutes. Way to go, Jacob. And tell Miss Tarbell, and please tell Miss Zimmerman that I said to have a great day tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
All
to
right,
add
bye,
to that
Jacob.
great day, we will spin the wheel. What's Sarah going to do? Oh, another flashlight.
Ooh.
We'll brighten your day up and send that out. Huh? Get it? Brighten? Huh?
Yep.
Huh? Maybe?
Great joke. Great
Awesome.
joke.
All right. Alrighty. Hey, let's go back to Norwood and talk to Kayla, 3rd grader. You there, Kayla?
Yep.
All right. So what are you working on?
We're working on a, can I say it?
Yeah.
The highest point in South Dakota is Harney Peak at 7,200.
That's my hometown, South
Really?
Dakota.
7,000. Are you there, Kayla? Kayla, are you there? Cal, I think we might have lost Kayla.
Oh.
Is that
No,
It's
No.
not there.
we lost her. And
Well, anyway, the great part of the country, South Dakota.
Hello?
Kayla?
Are you there, Kayla?
Kayla?
Had her for a second. Lost her. Had her. Lost her. Well, maybe she'll come back in a second.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
All right, you know what? Why don't we go to Pikesville Middle School and talk to Mackenzie? Are you there?
Yes.
Hey, Mackenzie, you gonna do a little multiplication for us?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what's your problem? And we'll work on it together, and then we'll eat some turkey.
Okay. 5x to the 3rd power times 4x to the 4th power.
All right. So we have some exponents
Yeah.
here. Does that look about right, Mackenzie?
Exponents.
Yes.
All right. So what do you know when you're multiplying exponents? In order to multiply the exponents, what needs to be the same?
The
Can we call this word the base? Can we call that x the base? Does the base have to be the same?
yes.
All right. And we have an x here and an x here. So the bases are the same right now, correct?
Yes.
So we know that we can multiply this problem. So we're on the right track. So we're going to start with the coefficients. Do you know what a coefficient is, Mackenzie?
No.
All right. The coefficient is the number in front of the letter. So here's my x. What number is in front of this first x?
The 5.
5. And then, so the 5 is the coefficient here. What number is in front of this x?
4.
4. Nice job. So 5 and 4 are coefficients. What's 5 times 4, Mackenzie?
20.
20. So far I have 20x. But now I need to work with these exponents. Do you remember your rules for exponents when you're multiplying? What should you do with the exponent?
You have to.
Those exponents have powers beyond belief, don't they?
Yes, they do. Are we
Kinda like
going
myself.
to add these?
You have to. Yeah, add them.
All right, so we're going to add the 3 plus the 4. So this is like saying I have x to the third plus x to the 4. That's going to give me my x to the 7. And so I have 20 times x to the 7th power. Does that look about right to you?
Yes.
All right, nice job, Mackenzie. Guess what we get to do now?
Yeah.
Eat turkey.
Yeah. Yeah, turkey. No?
No,
No.
no.
Oh, spin the prize wheel. They're not even waiting for us anymore. All right, come on, Sarah. Ooh. Was that a silent dog whistle? Oh, it is a backpack, is it?
Is that a backpack?
Backpack?
Yeah.
Backpack.
All right.
Wow, we're giving those out today, aren't we?
There we go.
Have I mentioned what I like to keep in my backpack?
Turkeys.
Yeah, meat. Okay, anyway, hey, let's go back to Newtown. This could be our last caller. Hey, Ryan, are you there?
Yes.
What are you working on over there in Newtown, Ryan?
I need help on 9 divided by 6,827.
6,827 divided by 9?
Yes.
Okay, so Ryan, I'm going to go ahead and start to set that up for us.
Let's do that.
Okay. All right, so Ryan, where do you want to start, kiddo?
I need you start where you start at 9 divided by 6.
Okay, and does 9 go into 6 or 6,000?
No.
No, but can 9, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 up there just to kind of keep my place values in check. Does 9 go into 68?
Yes.
How many times?
7.
7. And what is 7 times 9?
63.
63. And 68 minus 63?
5.
5. And 5 is less than 9, so I can bring down the
2.
2. How many times does 9 go into 52?
5 times.
5 times. And 9 times 5 is?
45.
And I know that 52 minus 45 is?
7.
7. Bring down the other 7 in the ones place. How many times does 9 go into 77?
8 times.
8 times. And what is 8 times 9?
72.
Okay. And 72 minus 77 is?
5.
5. So it's a remainder 5. And because you're a conscientious math student, what could we do to check it?
You check it.
If we had time,
If we
would
had
check
time to check it, what would we do? We would
multiply.
multiply. Good job, Ryan.
Hey, you know what? Let's spin the wheel. What do you say?
All right, let's go.
Get this last spin in. Let Sarah spin up another prize. Oh, yeah. Last prize of the day. Oh, it is a flash drive.
Oh.
I think we're handing out the 2 giggers.
All right.
All right.
Sweet.
Okay. All right, see you tomorrow, Ryan.
Okay.
All right. Well, that just about does it for this show today.
Wow.
know.
Congratulations to all of our prize wheel winners, and thanks to our very special guest spinner, Sarah from Sussex Elementary School. Thank you, Sarah.
Remember, kids, we do re-air this episode of Math Homework Helpers throughout the week, so be sure to tell everybody to watch. From all of us here at Math Homework Helpers, we'll see you next week.
Yeah, only here
on
on
BCPS-TV.
BCPS-TV. All right, now let's talk some turkey.